DIY for life here, and I'm just, chilling. We're on our way to a convenience store to drop off an Amazon package that I ordered that was too big, right? It was a pair of track shoes for my son, and it was on Amazon. It said like 4.5 M, but it was like under the boy size, so I just assumed that 4.5. I mean, the top of it said boys, and then said 4.5. But then when I ordered, it was like size 4.5 for men. You know what I mean? It was like twice the size of my son. My son is a track star, I think. I don't know. You decide there. But yeah. So I'm taking them back, and instead of going to the post office, getting the package, paying for it, return slip or whatever, I decided to look up the Amazon locker, where you just go to its convenient location, put in the PIN number, and drop your package off. And then they refund your money. Assumingly, they refund your money. But check it out. All right, so I just pulled up. I printed out the little return sheet. It has a locker PIN number on it. I need to access the actual Amazon locker. I got the grown man track spikes for the little kids. So let's do this. Oh. Amazon locker. $60 chips. At this point, I am water missiles. Water mister. Oh, that's just what you call it. At this point, I am pleasantly surprised. Home office. Touch the start. In your code. My code is. Boom. Okay. Let's see. The package does fit. I'm assuming this goes in there with it. Close the package. Oh. I guess that's it. Yeah, that was pleasantly surprising. I mean, there's no hassle, like none. Hey, so this is DIY for life. I get at you guys.